by which you can enhance the beauty of your personality, really. Because the people of this world today, you don't have any degree, but if you have English language, the modern educated man will consider you a great self. Really. You don't have anything, but you have only English language and participate in huge seminars. There are a bundle of huge personalities. They have bundle of degrees, and in front of them, if you are successful delivering speech on English language 2 or 3 minutes with effective language, with effective pronunciation and accent, all the educated people will appreciate you, and they will come to shake your hand. Really, I have experienced this. Just, I would like to tell you a small story which happened to me, and just then I will finish. Once I was standing on the station of Barasat platform, and I was in the queue of taking ticket, and suddenly two general educated men, the gentlemen, came to behind me, and they started talking. They started talking too much to forget that someone is standing in front of us. And when the time came to take a ticket, just I give my hand to take a ticket, and just he caught my hand, said, without queue, you have come here and ticket. What a man you are. In Bengali, not in English, just I am talking in English. So I said to him, I was here, but he was not ready to accept my talk. But fortunately, there was a beggar. She told them that yes, this boy is standing here. Then I told him, you are busy in talking, and as busy, too busy to forget who is standing in front of you. So first, look, who is standing in front of you by your eyes. Then comment anything, then remark on anything. This is your mistake. Why did you not see me? Then he told me, no, this is not my mistake. Only the mistake word he used in English, and whole the sentences was in Bengali. Only the word mistake was in English, and I was speaking totally in Bengali. When he used the word mistake, just I grabbed the chances and started to speak. Just when I said, yes, this is your mistake. Why did you not see me? I have been standing here since half an hour. What do you consider yourself, being a well-dressed man? When I started to speak, they were very puzzled. Even a single word, they never dared to speak to me. When I was coming back and I saw behind looking at that they are looking at me, I said, okay, look at me, I am going. So be careful about, you don't have any degree, nothing. There is no need to be a degree. If you want to be a government serviceman, if you want to render service in government field, okay, go to university, go to college and catch a lot of degrees and put it in your pocket. But there is no chance and there is no perfectness that you will get service. A lot of men in this world, they have a lot of degrees in their pocket, and whenever they go, they show their degrees. I have done this. If we ask, brother, have you gotten any service in government? He will excuse many things. So this is not perfect reason to go to a college and university, you will get government service. But if you have the one knowledge, this is English, international knowledge, and if you are very careful using this language, although you don't have any degree, I think you will effect on the social ground on general educated man. Here I wanna wind my speech. Thank you so much.